Witam i zapraszam do oglądania.
These are the back seat passengers. I think we'll have to there's a female sitting in the front. Let's have her step out. Hey George, hey, sip on that for me.
Yeah, I'm not fucking going now. I'm not going.
Hey, good. Show me your hands.
Hey, hold on, hey, bro. Hey.
What? Show me your hands. Give here. Come on, shoot four shots fired. Shots fired. Are all you guys okay?
No.
Who got shot?
No, I don't think anybody got shot.
Okay.
Can I just get her? Wait here for a second, bro. I gotta.
Hey, you guys sit tight. You guys sit tight. Sit tight.
What the fuck happened?
He pulled the gun on us. He pulled the gun on us.
I got that. Don't do it.
Okay. Well, I'm not pointing at you right now. We're just trying to figure this out. He did.
Let's start getting people out. Hey, I want you to do me a favor. I took the gun from some stupid kids earlier.
Okay, we will get you all that.
No. I need you to come get off. Everybody, don't keep your hands up. I need you to come get off.
You got him.
No. Come get one away. Okay, keep your hands up.
You got 20 left.
You got anything on you? What is it?
My phone on that pocket.
I'm going around get him. Watch him. If you move,
I'm not
you understand
moving.
we're
I'm
going to
not
go
moving.
with this?
I'm not moving. I'm not. It's not on me, sir.
But
I'm going to. You don't have to be
Okay,
forceful.
I'm not being
I'm
forceful.
working with you. I'm working with you. I'm working
Okay.
with you. I was moving seat.
we will get it, brother.
I got you. I got you. You know this stuff. I'm not moving seat.
No, I'm going to handcuff you
I
like
got you.
this.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got it, bro. I got you.
Stepping out to the door goes right here. And there's a shotgun underneath.
That's
I can say, brother.
Nope.
I was trying to get my phone off the man. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I have no idea about what the fuck is going on. I don't have.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Nothing else, sir. Like I I got you. Get my phone on the ground up here. You good? Everybody's good?
Okay.
Who's hit?
Contact 204, somebody of yours now. 2-3 uniform. Good.
We're good. I'm good.
1090 is confirmed.
Which one has warrants? Which one has warrants?
These are the backseat passengers. think we'll have to, there's a female sitting in front. So we'll just have her step out. Oh, my God! Oh, you guys okay? Who got shot? Hey, you guys sit tight. You guys sit tight. Sit tight. Pull the gun on it. Pull the gun on
Hey, we got a gun right here. Get this gun.
I wasn't pulling it. I was going to hand it to you. I was just pulling it out of my deal.
540, we need some EMS.
Yeah, I wasn't pulling it. I'm not stupid, guys.
Sit down.
I'm trying.
Sit down.
I'm trying. All I did was pull it out of here. I wasn't going to pull it on y'all.
That was dumb, man. How do we know that?
I'm sorry, guys.